Hello everyone, this is your corporate girl time with your recruiter. Today I'm going to share with you few tips on how to explain the gaps in your CV. As a rule of thumb, be prepared to answer or explain any gap that is 4 months or longer. Employers tend to be interested in what the candidates have been doing recently. So have your employment gap explanation ready without going into unnecessary details. So you can start by explaining why you were unemployed during that time. Then go on to explain what you did and emphasize why you think this is the right opportunity for you. Here are 3 tips and an example of how to explain gaps in employment. Be transparent. When explaining employment gaps to potential employers, honesty is always the best. Be transparent and concisely explain why it occurred. Highlight what you learned during the time you were away from the office by sharing soft skills, life lessons, or any other important takeaways you had during that period. However, there is a need to identify achievements in the gap in employment that fits the job offer. In other words, do some research to find out what the company needs. Then show matching achievements on your resume. Assure that it's not a pattern. What you can do is to tell your story to show that your resume gap will not occur. Employers want to ensure that you don't have the pattern of job hopping in the past, so that you don't do it in the position they are hiring you for. Be concrete. Before explaining a resume gap, know what you're going to say before the fact and stick to the script. Without one, employers will assume the worst and you want to avoid trailing off or rambling. Lest the employer feels you're unprepared or you're trying to conceal something. Example: I made a difficult decision to take a break from my professional life to focus on helping my family. Or you can say further your education. During this time, I kept my professional skills up to speed by doing this or that. And I was able to hone additional skills like time management, compassion, and communication. This is the end of today's episode. I hope this will help you fill in the gaps in your employment. Again, my name is Selina Buabeng, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and see you in my next video.